Oh, this bottle is really tight. I can't open it. I don't want to bother anyone.
Excuse me, ma'am. Do you need some help?
Oh, it's okay. I'll try again.
Are you sure? It looks a little difficult to open.
Yes, you're right. My hands are not as strong as before.
No problem. Let me help you.
Thank you. I didn't want to bother anyone.
It's no trouble at all. I'm happy to help.
Thank you. That was very kind of you.
You're welcome. Sometimes we all need a little help.
That's true. I just like to do things by myself.
I understand. Being independent is important.
Yes, but asking for help is okay too.
Exactly. Have a wonderful day, ma'am.
You too.
Hi there. Do you need some help with your luggage?
Oh, yes, please. It is very heavy. I cannot lift it.
Here, let me help you with that.
Thank you so much. Thanks again for your help. My arms are so tired.
Of course. I am glad I could help. Are you flying home?
No, I am visiting my daughter in Chicago. She has a new baby.
Oh, congratulations. That is exciting.
Thank you. What about you? Are you traveling for business or vacation?
I am going back to college. Vacation is over, so it is time to study again.
Good for you. Well, have a safe and comfortable flight.
Thank you. Enjoy your time with the baby.
The plane is moving. I am always a little nervous during takeoff.
Don't worry. It is a very safe plane. Maybe look out the window. The view is very beautiful.
No, thank you. I prefer to close my eyes for a few minutes.
Sure. Let me know if you need anything.
You are a very kind young man. Thank you.
We are now arriving in Chicago.
We are here in Chicago. How was your flight?
It was very smooth, thank you. I even slept for an hour.
That's great. Please stay right here. Let me get your luggage down for you.
Oh, thank you so much again. You are very helpful.
No problem at all.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Would you like something to eat or drink? Yes, please. I'm a little hungry. What food do you have today? We have a chicken sandwich, pasta, and a cheese pizza. We also have some snacks. The food sounds good. But do you have anything without dairy? Yes, we do. Are you lactose intolerant, ma'am? Lactose intolerant? I'm not sure what that means. It means your body doesn't like milk. You may feel sick after having milk or dairy foods like cheese or ice cream. Oh, I understand now. I sometimes feel uncomfortable after eating cheese, but I never knew the reason. Many people have the same problem. We have a dairy-free chicken meal available. It does not contain milk, cheese, or other dairy products. That sounds perfect. I'll have the dairy-free chicken meal, please. Of course, ma'am. Would you like something to drink with your meal? Yes, please. Could I have some orange juice? Certainly. I'll bring your meal and drink in a few minutes. Thank you very much. You're very helpful. You're welcome, ma'am. Enjoy your flight. Excuse me, could you help me, please?
Of course. What can I help you with?
I'm trying to get to the City Museum, but I'm not sure which bus to take.
The City Museum, you can take the number 25 bus.
The number 25 bus? Where can I catch it?
You can wait here. The bus will stop right in front of this sign.
I see. How long does it take to get there?
It takes about 20 minutes. You should get off at the third stop.
The third stop. Okay, I'll remember that.
Don't worry. The bus display will show the stops.
I just want to be sure I'm going the right way.
No problem. It can be a little confusing when you're new here.
I really appreciate your help. Now I know what to do. Have a nice day.
You're welcome. Take care.
Maybe my family will call soon. It's my birthday today, but it feels a little quiet.
Excuse me, ma'am. Is everything okay?
Yes, I'm okay. I'm just having a small birthday dinner.
Oh, is it your birthday?
Yes, I usually celebrate with my family, but they are far away this year.
I'm sorry, you must miss them.
I do. I miss their smiles and our family dinners.
I understand. Birthdays are special because we want to be with the people we love.
That's true. But I'm still thankful for this beautiful day.
Please wait here for a moment.
Okay.
Happy birthday, ma'am. This is from us.
Oh my goodness. You didn't have to do this.
We wanted to make your birthday a little happier.
Thank you. You made me feel very special today.
You deserve a wonderful birthday.
I came here alone, but I don't feel alone anymore.
Sometimes a little kindness can make a big difference.
I'm going to remember this birthday forever. This city is so beautiful. I can't wait to see the park.
Excuse me, ma'am. Are you going to the city park?
Yes, I am. I'm trying to get there, but I'm not sure how long it will take.
I think you might be on the wrong bus.
Oh no, am I going the wrong way?
I'm afraid so. This bus is going in the opposite direction.
Oh, I see. I thought this was the right bus.
Don't worry. It's an easy mistake to make.
Thank you for telling me. I would have gone very far.
You can get off at the next stop and take the bus back.
The next stop? Okay, I'll do that.
The bus stop is right across the street. You can catch the right bus there.
That's very helpful. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I'm glad I noticed.
I'll be more careful next time.
Good luck, ma'am. I hope you enjoy the park.
Thank you. Have a great day. I can't believe this place is still here. I used to come here every Sunday morning. Excuse me. Do I know you? I'm not sure. You look familiar. Wait, are you Sarah? Oh my goodness, Emma? I can't believe it's you. I haven't seen you in years. It has been so long. How have you been? I've been good. I still live here with my family. This town brings back so many memories. Do you remember when we used to walk here after school? Yes, we talked for hours and never wanted to go home. Those were wonderful days. I came here today just to visit my old town. I never expected to see you. Sometimes life gives us beautiful surprises. I'm so happy we found each other again. Why don't we have a cup of coffee together? I'd love that. We have a lot to catch up on. Let's make some new memories. Oh no,
Excuse me, ma'am. Are you okay?
I think so. My leg suddenly started hurting. I can't walk right now.
I'm sorry to hear that. Is it a leg cramp?
Yes, I think it is. I was walking for a long time today.
Why don't you sit down for a minute? There is a bench over there.
Thank you. That would be great.
Take your time. Don't hurry.
Thank you so much. I'm traveling alone, and I was a little worried.
Don't worry. You're safe. Many people get leg cramps, especially after walking a lot.
I didn't know that. I walked around the city all morning.
You should drink some water and take a short rest. It will help your muscles relax.
Thank you. I will.
Great. Are you feeling better now?
Yes, much better. Thank you for stopping and helping me.
You're welcome, ma'am. Enjoy your trip.
Thank you. I will remember your kindness. Excuse me. Could you help me, please?
Of course. What can I help you with?
I'm trying to find the Empire State Building, but I think I'm lost.
No problem. You're actually not too far away.
Really? That's good to hear.
You can walk there, or you can take the subway.
How long does it take to walk there?
About 15 minutes.
That's not too far. Could you tell me how to get there?
Sure. Walk straight down this street, then turn left at the next corner.
Thank you. Okay. Walk straight, then turn left. Is that right?
Yes, that's correct. You'll see a big building with a famous sign.
Great. Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your visit to New York.
Thank you. It's my first time here, and everything is amazing.
I'm glad you're enjoying the city.
Have a nice day.
You too, have fun.
Oh no, where is my phone? I can't find my phone. I think I lost it.
Excuse me, ma'am. Are you okay?
I'm not sure. I lost my phone, and I don't know where it is.
I'm sorry to hear that. Do you remember where you used it last?
Let me think. I used it at the coffee shop a few minutes ago.
Maybe you left it there. Let's go back and check.
Thank you. That would be very helpful.
Don't worry. We will find it.
Thank you so much. I'm traveling alone, so I was really worried.
It's okay. I understand. Losing your phone while traveling can be stressful.
Oh, wait. I see something on the table.
Is that your phone?
Yes, that's my phone. I found it.
Great! I'm glad you found it.
Thank you for helping me. You are very kind.
You're welcome, ma'am. Enjoy the rest of your trip.
Excuse me. Could you help me, please?
Of course. What can I help you with?
I'm trying to buy a subway card, but I'm not sure how it works.
No problem. Are you visiting New York for the first time?
Yes, it's my first time here. I want to take the subway to Central Park.
Great. You can use a Metro card or you can pay with a contactless credit card.
Oh, I didn't know that. Can I use my credit card?
Yes, you can. Just tap your card at the reader when you enter the station.
That sounds easy. How much does one ride cost?
A single ride costs $2.90.
Okay, so I don't need to buy a card?
That's right. Just tap your credit card and the gate will open.
I see. That's much easier than I thought.
Yes. Many visitors use this method.
Thank you for explaining it to me. I was worried I wouldn't know what to do.
You're welcome. It's easy. After you enter, follow the signs for the Uptown train to Central Park.
Uptown train. Got it. Thank you so much for your help.
No problem. Enjoy your visit to New York.
Thank you. I'm excited to see the city.